Hi, welcome back to Rolling with Riggs. Today I am with Tyler down in Tucson, Arizona at Sonoran Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu. We're going to do some knee slice passing to a baseball bat choke. Really like this move. I love using this, especially in that in-between when we're fighting for, side control or whatever. It's usually right there as like a nice little sneaky attack. So, a lot of the time we're here, they have like their feet in our hips, we have their knees. I see a lot of people, whenever they try to pin the knee down, they'll try to stay right in front of their partner and try to stay square. And they have all this trouble because they're fighting against the person's legs with just their arms. We're going to take a small step to the side, just a small shuffle step with both feet. And you'll see how Tyler's legs elongate, and it makes it easier for me to push it down. So from here, I try to push it down. And yeah, Tyler's fighting me a little bit, but yeah, exactly. It's hard for me to do. But as soon as I take a little step off to the side, boom, boom. See how his leg elongates to keep connection with me? Makes it very easy for me to push it down and pin it there. Now I have one leg out, one leg in. I need to beat this hip. So I'm going to swim inside, get my hand on the hip, and I use my forearm to push his leg away. Okay? From here, my inside leg, the knee goes down to the mat next to his ribs, and my shin pins down his thigh, okay? If I leave my knee up, he can always bring his knee forward to reframe, yep. So I want to bring my knee all the way down, so if he does kick it through, I have my pass. Thanks, Tyler. So we're here. But Tyler's very savvy. He knows what's coming. So yeah, he's starting to set up his frames and stuff. He's trying to work a half guard. He might even kick this leg out and catch me in a 3/4 guard back here, making it super hard for me to actually pass to side control. All right. I'm going to use that to my advantage though. Tyler might go for an underhook here. That's what he would want to get, right? That's fine with me. I'm going to be able to take this hand. I'm going to put my thumb inside of his collar, and I'm going to use that to drive him back down. Boom. From here, this overhook hand is going to come right to the back of his head here, and I want to try to get my wrist on his head. That's how I like to set it up. A lot of people try to get their grip first, but I like to get my hand here. I might even grab the back of the head a little bit just to keep some control. From here, I'm going to take my hand that already has the collar grip. I'm going to punch it away from me to create space for my free hand. Here. See how now I have space behind his head? I'm going to bring my hand inside and get my thumb and my pinky connected. See how close my hands are behind his head? This is a baseball bat grip. You can probably tell why. I mean, like I'm holding a baseball bat. From here, if he keeps my ankle, that's fine. I can still do this choke, but sometimes I might get lucky and be able to knee slice through to here. If that happens, I'm going to kick my leg out. I'm actually going to turn my back to Tyler, so I'm facing the ceiling. From here, I'm going to pull up, pulling my arms in, keeping my elbows crossed. So we're here once again. I go to step off to the side. I do my little shuffle step. Boom, boom. Tyler's leg is elongated, so I push it down to the mat. I need to beat this other one inside, though. So I come here, okay? Sometimes they might beat me, though, and I go to throw my shin slice in, and their knee comes in. That's okay. We can still do the baseball bat choke from here. All right? So I drop my pressure in, keeping my chest on his knee. I'm going to take my hand off of the knee pin, and I'm going to grab the collar, thumb inside, okay? From here, a lot of the time, they'll start to work for an underhook, which is fine with me, because that's going to make it easy for me to get this hand to his neck. From here, I punch the collar out, swim my hand in. I have my pinky and my thumb touching each other. From here, he has a loose guard to try to wrestle up. That's fine with me. I'm still going to knee slice through, kick out. I bring my back into Tyler's chest as I turn and pull. So from the side, I step out, boom. I pin the knee down and I beat the hip. Pin Tyler's leg down. Yeah, he starts trying to frame, maybe go for an underhook. That's cool. I get my collar grip, and I bring my hand to the neck. From here, I punch out, getting my hand in the collar. I have my pinky and my thumb connected. I'm going to slice through and kick out. From here, I'm going to turn as I pull, crossing my elbows. Now on this side, once again, step out, pin, knee slice through. This time I didn't beat the knee though, so he's got this knee shield. I keep my pressure down. I come from the knee to my collar grip, okay? He might go for his underhook, that's cool. I bring my arm in. So you see how my elbow is out now? I'm gonna bring my elbow down and through so I can beat him here, all right? Chop, punch, get the collar, slice through, kick out. I'm gonna turn as I pull. All right, so now we showed you how we can do that from the top off of the knee slice. Now I want to show you how we can kind of counter the knee slice with it from bottom as well. I'm here, Tyler starts to go for his pass. Yeah, I trap him in a 3/4 guard, right? So he still needs to pass from here. First thing I'm gonna do is with the side that I would normally want an underhook, I'm gonna take my hand and I'm gonna get my thumb in the collar, push to get a good grip here. Now Tyler's probably gonna bring his head down to my shoulder to pin me. That's okay, and he's probably gonna try to get behind my head as well. From here, I need to get inside of this arm. So this hand is gonna swim inside, and I like to pin it on the shoulder. I like to block the shoulder here because they're gonna be trying to put pressure down. From here, this hand is gonna go palm up again to slide in the collar. To get some space, once again, I'm gonna punch the collar, giving myself space. From here, I bring my hand to Tyler's head so I can get that grip. See how once again my pinky and my thumb are connected? Now from here, this is where it's gonna be a little bit of a trap. I'm actually going to open my guard to let Tyler pass. As Tyler passes, I'm gonna take my same side leg and I'm gonna kick it through so I can go over to my stomach. As I go over to my stomach, you can see how my arms cross and I load him up on my shoulder. From here, all I need to do is pull down to finish the choke. So once again, we're here. Tyler goes to pass my guard. Boom. I catch him in a 3/4 guard. All right, he didn't get all the way past. I can still do my move. All right, normally I'd want to get an underhook here to fight up. That's fine. I'm going to get my collar grip, thumb inside, 4 fingers out. All right. From here, yeah, he starts trying to put pressure down on me. That's cool. I work my other frame in from here. I'm going to use my collar grip to punch to create space for me to get my other hand in. I have my pinky and my thumb connected from here. I have my grip ready to go, just like I'm holding a baseball bat. Tyler knee slides through. I roll the opposite way. See how when I roll, my elbows cross? This is where the choke's going to come in. All I need to do now is flatten out and pull. Boom, we're here. I caught Tyler in a 3/4 guard. That's fine. Come up. I get my thumb in, 4 fingers out on my first grip. My second grip, I fight inside, 4 fingers in, thumb out. So now my pinky and my thumb are connected like I'm holding a bat. I open up to let Tyler through. While he goes, I turn to cross. Once I'm face down and my elbows are crossed, I pull down to finish the choke. Boom, I catch Tyler in my 3/4 guard. I get my first grip. My thumb in, 4 fingers out. He's putting pressure down, so I got to work my other frame in. I'm going to punch the collar to create space. Punch the collar, get my hand to the head, 4 fingers in, thumb out. So now my thumb and my pinky are connected like I'm holding a baseball bat. From here, Tyler goes to pass. I open up, I turn over, crossing my elbows. From here, I pull down to finish the choke. All right, thank you for watching another episode of Rolling with Riggs. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. And if you have any questions or if there's a technique you'd like to see, please comment below. Other than that, thank you for coming in. Have a great week.